In this video, I'll be showing you how you can fix your Reolink Live View not working. First is to do basic checks and network solutions. Ensure that the power is stable and the cables are secure. For PoE, you can test a different port or cable. You can also restart your router and the Reolink camera or the NVR, and test it on a different network, or switch the camera to a wired connection if your Wi-Fi is weak. Also, make sure that your Wi-Fi antennas are securely tightened and temporarily disable antivirus, firewall, or VPN as they can block ports. Also, you can modify the in-app and the client solutions. In the Reolink app or the client, switch from clear to fluent, stream, or vice versa for better performance. You can also manually drag the camera to the live view window in the application. Also, turn off the hardware decoding in the Reolink client settings and try viewing on the Reolink client if using the app, or vice versa, or via a web browser or a VLC player to isolate the issue. And that's how you can fix Reolink Live View that is not working. And thank you for listening.